What's up, people? It's your boy Money Magnet Minds back with another banger video, and let me tell you, this one's gonna be huge. We're talking about building wealth. Yeah, you heard me right. Forget what you heard about needing a trust fund or a sugar daddy to get rich. 2025 is approaching, baby, and we're rewriting the rules. Whether you're starting from zero with empty pockets, or you just want to level up your finances, this video is your blueprint for success. We're gonna break down the walls, smash the ceilings, and expose all the secrets they don't want you to know. No more excuses, no more limitations. This is about you taking control of your future and building the life you deserve. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to take some notes, because things are about to get lit. Let's go. Before we even talk about money, we gotta address the big dog in the room, your mindset. That's right. The way you think about money, about success, about yourself, it all plays a massive role in whether you're gonna be chilling in the VIP or stuck in the nosebleeds of life. You see, too many people are walking around with this poverty mindset, thinking they're destined to be broke, that wealth is only for the lucky few. That's nonsense. You gotta ditch that negativity like a bad habit. Instead, embrace the abundance mindset. Visualize yourself swimming in cash, driving your dream car, living that luxury life. Believe you're worthy of success, because you are. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool, and you've got to program it for greatness. So ditch the doubt, silence the haters, and start believing in your ability to build wealth. Trust me, it's the first step to making it happen. Now, I know what you're thinking. Easy for you to say you're already loaded. And yeah, I've been blessed, but let me tell you, my journey wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. I've had my fair share of setbacks, failures, and doubters. But you know what? I didn't let those experiences break me. Instead, I used them as fuel to work even harder, to prove everyone wrong. Every time someone said I couldn't do it, I made it my mission to prove them wrong. That's what separates the winners from the wannabes. It's not about never failing. It's about how you bounce back from those failures. So embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and use them to fuel your fire. Remember, a diamond is just a piece of coal that did well under pressure. So bring on the pressure. Let's turn those struggles into success stories. Alright guys, let's talk about education. And no, I'm not talking about going back to school and racking up student debt. I'm talking about the kind of education that empowers you, that unlocks opportunities, that puts you in the driver's seat of your financial future. We're living in the information age, people. Knowledge is everywhere. And the best part is, a lot of it is completely free. That's right, you don't need a fancy degree or an expensive mentor to become financially literate. The internet is your oyster, my friends. YouTube channels, podcasts, blogs, online courses. There's a wealth of information out there just waiting to be devoured. And the best part? You can learn at your own pace, on your own time. So ditch the excuses and start feeding your brain with the knowledge you need to succeed. Trust me, the more you learn, the more you earn. Now, when I say education, I'm not just talking about learning about money. I'm talking about becoming a master of your craft, whatever that may be. Whether you're passionate about coding, graphic design, music production, or even just making killer sandwiches, invest in yourself and become the best at what you do. The more skilled you are, the more valuable you become. And the more valuable you become, the more money you can command. It's that simple. Don't be afraid to invest in courses, workshops, or mentorships that can help you level up your skills. And hey, even if you're working a 9-to-5 you hate, don't underestimate the power of side hustles. Use your free time to learn new skills, develop your talents, and build something on the side. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this day and age, it's also the key to unlocking financial freedom. So go out there, educate yourself, and become an unstoppable force. You can't just rely on one source of income in this day and age. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket, and we know what happens then. Disaster. One little slip and you're back to square one. Nah, we don't play that game. We're building empires here, people. Multiple income streams, that's the key. It's like having different weapons in your arsenal. If one fails, you've got backups ready to deploy. Diversify your hustle, man. Think about it. Salary from your main gig, some side hustle cash flow, maybe even some investment dividends rolling in. That's how you build a fortress around your finances. You get me? It might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's worth it. It's about creating a safety net, a financial cushion for when life throws you curveballs. And believe me, life loves throwing curveballs. So how do you actually create these multiple income streams? Don't worry, I got you. There are tons of options out there. The internet has opened up a whole new world of possibilities. You could freelance your skills online, create and sell your own products, or even start that YouTube channel you've been dreaming of. The possibilities are endless. Think about what you're good at, what you're passionate about. Could you turn that into a side hustle? Maybe you're a coding whiz, a graphic design guru, or a fitness fanatic. Monetize those skills. Remember, building multiple income streams takes time and effort, but the rewards are massive. It's about taking control of your financial future. And that's what we're all about, right? Let's talk about networking. Now, I know what you're thinking. Networking sounds boring, KSI, but hold up, because this is crucial stuff, especially in the digital age. You see, building a strong network is like unlocking secret levels in a video game. It opens doors to opportunities you wouldn't believe. It's not always about what you know, but who you know. Remember that. Now, I'm not saying you need to become some social butterfly overnight. It's about building genuine connections with people in your field, people who inspire you, people who are doing big things. Engage with their content online, shoot them a message, maybe even collaborate on a project. You never know where it might lead. And guess what? You don't need to attend fancy conferences to network effectively. The internet, my friends, is a goldmine for connecting with like-minded individuals. Join online communities, forums, and groups related to your interests and career goals. LinkedIn, Twitter, even Instagram. These platforms are your oyster. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, share your ideas, and contribute to discussions. You'll be surprised by the connections you make and the support you receive. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be willing to help others, share your knowledge, and provide value. That's how you build lasting relationships that can propel you forward. We're living in a digital revolution. Technology is changing the game faster than ever before, and we gotta keep up. It's not just about playing the latest video games, all right? This is about leveraging technology to build wealth and secure your future. Think about it. The internet has created endless possibilities for making money online. E-commerce, online courses, social media marketing. These are just a few examples of how technology is changing the game. Don't be afraid to embrace the digital world, even if you're not a tech whiz. There are tons of resources available to help you learn and adapt. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this digital age, those who embrace technology will have a significant advantage. That little device in your pocket, that's not just for scrolling through TikTok, my friend. That's a powerful tool that can help you build your empire. Use it to your advantage. Download financial literacy apps, learn about investing, explore online business opportunities. There are apps for everything these days. You can manage your money, track your investments, even learn new skills, all from your phone. So put down the games for a minute and use that phone to level up your financial game. The future is in your hands, literally. Now, I'm not saying you should go throwing all your money into some random stocks you saw on Reddit. Nah, we ain't about that risky life. Do your research. There are loads of resources out there to help you get started. You got books, websites, even apps that make investing easy peasy. Don't be afraid to ask for help either. There are financial advisors who can give you the lowdown. Remember, investing isn't just for the Wall Street guys in fancy suits. It's for everyone. Whether you got a little or a lot to invest, starting is what matters. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there, make those smart investments, and watch your wealth grow. All right, listen up, hustlers. Gone are the days of being stuck in a 9-to-5 grind. Nowadays, you can be your own boss, set your own hours, and rake in that dough on your own terms. Think about it. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, a coding ninja, or a social media guru. Whatever your skill set, there's a gig out there for you. Freelancing platforms are popping up left, right, and center, connecting skilled individuals like you with clients worldwide. It's like having a global marketplace at your fingertips. And the best part? You're in control. You choose the projects you want to work on, set your own rates, and build a reputation as a boss in your field. It's all about that freedom, baby. Now, I know what you're thinking. But JJ, is freelancing really that lucrative? Listen, my friend, the sky's the limit. It all depends on your skills and work ethic. I've seen people go from side hustling in their pajamas to running six-figure freelance businesses. It's all about putting in the work, delivering quality, and building those client relationships. And don't forget the power of the internet, my friend. Use social media to your advantage, showcase your skills, network with potential clients, and build your online presence. The gig economy is booming, and there's never been a better time to jump in and start building your freelance empire. Let's talk about side hustle. That's right. Even if you got a 9-to-5, there's always time to stack that bread on the side. A side hustle ain't just about making extra cash, though that's a pretty sweet perk. It's about exploring your passions, learning new skills, and building something for yourself. Think of it like this. Your 9-to-5 is like playing it safe, building that foundation. Your side hustle is where you take risks, experiment, and unleash your inner entrepreneur. Whether you're selling handmade crafts on Etsy, offering online tutoring services, or driving for a ride-sharing app, there are endless possibilities to make that side hustle money. Now I get it, juggling a side hustle with your main gig can be tough. But trust me, it's all about time management, baby. Make a schedule, prioritize your tasks, and don't be afraid to hustle hard. The beauty of a side hustle is that it can grow into something much bigger. Who knows, that little project you started in your spare time could turn into your full-time passion. Take it from someone who's been there and done that. The grind is real, but the rewards are even realer. So what are you waiting for? Embrace that entrepreneurial spirit, find your side hustle, and start building your empire. Let's go. This time, we're diving deep into the world of financial literacy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Financial literacy? Sounds boring. But trust me, this stuff is crucial. It's like having the cheat codes to the money game. Imagine trying to play FIFA without knowing the controls. You'd be running around like a headless chicken, right? That's what it's like managing money without financial literacy. You need to know the rules of the game, understand how money works, and make informed decisions. Otherwise, you're just setting yourself up for failure. Financial literacy is all about understanding the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. It's about knowing where your money is going, how to make it grow, and how to avoid getting into debt you can't handle. It's about taking control of your finances and building a secure future. So, how do you become financially literate? It's easier than you think. There are tons of free resources available online, like Investopedia, Khan Academy, and even YouTube channels dedicated to personal finance. You can also hit up your local library and grab some books on the subject. Trust me, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to boss up your finances. Now, let's talk about why financial literacy is so damn important, especially in this day and age. We live in a world where it's easy to get caught up in the hype of quick money schemes and get-rich-quick promises. But let me tell you, fam, most of that stuff is BS. Real wealth is built over time through smart financial decisions and a solid understanding of how money works. Financial literacy empowers you to make those decisions with confidence. It helps you avoid common money pitfalls like overspending, racking up credit card debt, and falling for scams. It gives you the knowledge and skills to manage your money effectively, plan for the future, and achieve your financial goals. Think about it. Wouldn't it be amazing to have complete control over your money? To know exactly where it's going, how to make it work for you, and how to build a solid financial foundation? That's the power of financial literacy. It's like leveling up in the game of life and unlocking a whole new set of possibilities. So, my advice to you is simple. Invest in your financial education. Take the time to learn about personal finance, whether it's through online courses, books, or even just by talking to someone who's already financially savvy. Trust me, it's the best investment you'll ever make. Let's go. All right, champions, we're in the penultimate chapter of this wealth-building journey. And let me tell you, this one's all about heart. We're talking about persistence, baby. That unwavering determination to succeed, no matter how many times you get knocked down. Look, the road to financial freedom is rarely smooth sailing. You're gonna hit bumps, you're gonna face setbacks, and you're gonna wanna throw in the towel. Trust me, I've been there. But it's in those moments when you feel like giving up that you gotta dig deep, channel your inner beast, and keep pushing forward. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Remember your dreams, your goals, and the life you want to create for yourself and your loved ones. Use that as fuel to keep the fire burning. Don't let temporary setbacks derail you from your long-term vision. The truth is, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. There will be days when you feel like you're not making any progress, when you question everything, and when you just want to crawl into bed and watch Netflix. And you know what? That's okay. It's normal to feel that way. But here's the thing. Successful people, the ones who actually make it, they don't give up. They embrace the grind. They understand that setbacks are a part of the process, and they use them as opportunities to learn, grow, and come back stronger. They're like those annoyingly resilient video game bosses that keep coming back with more health and new attacks. So the next time you face a challenge, don't shy away from it. Embrace it, learn from it, grow from it. And most importantly, never ever give up on your dreams. Remember, persistence is key. It's what separates the dreamers from the doers, the talkers from the walkers. So get out there, put in the work, and make it happen. Boom! There you have it, my friends. The blueprint to building wealth in 2025. Now, it's up to you to take action. Remember, knowledge is power, but only if you use it. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and make your dreams a reality. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.